Medulin Excursions. Welcome to the Sunset Dolphin Excursion. Medulin Excursions Sandra offers a big variety of boats and boat trips. One of them is the Sunset Dolphin Excursion. The early evening is the perfect time for this trip, greeting you with a more pleasant ambience and a cooler time of the day during Croatia's summer peak. Once reaching Medulin Harbour, you will easily find the Sandra boat check-in with its joyful red and yellow colors. This excursion is operating in a period from April to October, leaving between 5 and 6 p.m. depending on the month, and lasts for about 3 hours. Once everyone is safely and comfortable in their seats with a welcome schnapps in hand, we start cruising towards the most southern point of Istrian, the national park Kamenjak. During this first part of the trip, you will enjoy a beautiful panoramic view of Medulin and its archipelago. With the sunset approaching, you will be fascinated by the crystal clear blue water reflecting the colors of the sunset. If the weather allows it, the boat will drive around the lighthouse which dates back to the austro-hungarian monarchy. The friendly crew will make sure to explain some interesting facts about it. Rumor has it that from here you will see one of the most beautiful sunsets of Croatia. You can also get lucky and spot numerous dolphins swimming around the boat. Our captains are always dedicated to find some, but of course it isn't guaranteed to see them each time. You might see a bunch of dolphins, first from far away, but step by step they often lose their shyness and come closer to the boat, so you can observe them from a safe distance. Close to the halfway point of the voyage, we are serving a freshly cooked Croatian meal accompanied by a local wine. Another pleasing experience is to watch plenty of seagulls accompany the boat on the way back. Join this splendid excursion to experience a touch of authenticity, all for an affordable price. Sharing this trip with other like-minded people and operated with a super friendly crew will create lifetime connections. We hope to welcome you soon on board. Your Sandra team.